Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to IT First Solutions. In previous video we have implemented left join, and we have also understand what is left join. In this video we will learn right join, about right join. So let me remind, in case of inner join we must have matching records, and only matching records will be displayed over here as an output of our query. But in case of left join, our left side table will be displayed completely. Look at this, we have two different records which doesn't have any matching rows with this table. Same like this we have in right join, we will display all records from right table. In case of left join, it will display all records from this table and mark the null positions if the records are not matching in the right table. But in right join, it will displays all records from this table, right side of table, and it will mark null position to this table. So if you execute this query, look at this, we are getting only all records from this employees table. But if I change this query, if I cut it from here and paste it over here, and then if I cut it from here and paste it over here, now it will display all the records of departments table on the right side. So if you execute this query, look at this, it is displaying all records from right side table. In this case we have right side table as departments, and it will mark automatically null to the position of left side table. Left and right join are basically useful for writing queries where our column doesn't have matching values, and you can only write left or right join. You can do the same stuff with left join, and you can do the same stuff with right join. Only you need to change the positions of table, or otherwise you can simply write as I am showing you, that you can use right join or you can use left join as per your requirement. So understand, if we must display the matching records, then we will definitely use the inner join. But if I want to display the all records from left side table, irrespective of the records from right side table, then I will use left join and vice versa. So I hope you understand the basic concept of join. We will be using these joins a lot in upcoming videos, so stay tuned and make sure we're learning SQL concept. This is very important concept. If you learn any programming languages or any technologies, this is what you need. Same the case like JavaScript, you should need this SQL with you. If you are making web applications, definitely you will need SQL databases or SQL concept. You should know SQL concept. If you are making desktop application, then definitely you will need this database. And if you are even making mobile application, then definitely you will implement this SQL concept in SQLite. And these SQL concepts you can implement on MySQL, on SQL Server, or on SQLite. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. We'll meet again in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.